So these are a couple years old, and I got a little bit aggressive. I used a really sharp sawzall blade on these, and I still got to thin them out some. You're pretty sexy. You're like the Price is Right model. So this one, I think I'm redoing the whole top on that, trying to get a central leader. The coons broke that a couple years ago, and these are so these are Liberty apple trees right here, and there's some. These are 2-year-old, I believe. These are Empire and Enterprise, and some coons shredded on that one, so that's going to be my tree. So here's some that I actually got the branches spread, and these are root maker bags. So the big roots hit the bag and it just lets a little root get through right there in those holes, and then it keeps shooting out little roots, and then when you take that bag out, you got about 90% of your roots there, and the trees go just bananas. So yeah, this right here is that's a Liberty, and here's a few. I'm trying to get some height on them and get the proper angles on those, and I gotta put a few more branch spreaders in there. And that looks like another Liberty apple tree. Same with, I think this one's an Enterprise. Got a little more work to do to this one. I believe this is about, maybe that's a 3 or 4-year-old. Maybe 8 or 9 feet tall.